Hello everyone, welcome back to our CAT PYQ series, and today I'll be talking about PYQs of topic time and work. So let's talk about this question first. A person can complete a job in 120 days. He works alone on day 1 and on day 2 he's joined by another person who also can complete a job in exactly 120 days. So what I'm doing here, I'm assuming total work as 120 units. So the efficiency of this person will be 1 unit per day because he completes this work in 120 days. Now on day 1, this person works alone. That means 1 unit of work has been done. On day 2, he is joined by another person who also can complete a job in exactly 120 days. So the next person efficiency is also 1 unit per day. So that means now the work done will be 2 units. On day 3, they are joined by another person of equal efficiency. ठीक है, एक और बंदा आता है. So that means we can say now work done will be 3 units and so on. Like this, every day a new person with the same efficiency joins the work. How many days are required to complete a job? Okay. So now how we can solve this? If you observe, on the first day only 1 unit of work has been done. On second day 2 units of work has been done. On day third 3 units of work has been done. So we can simply make a pattern out of it that on the first day 1 unit, on the second day 2 unit, on the third day 3 unit and so on. Now we have to complete 120 units of work. Now total work is 120 units. So we can understand one thing that on nth day the work done will be n units, right? And sum of this should be equal to 120. Now from this I will try to find out the value of n. How? You can see the sum of first n natural number, which is n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 120. So this can be written as in this way 240, or you can say 120 into 2. Now I can use quadratic equation to find out the value of n, which represent on which day this work gets completed, right? Or I can use some hit and trial. If you see product of two consecutive numbers, so if I break down 120 as 15 into 8, so I can say 15 into 16. So doing some smart work, I can say n will be 15. That means on 15th day, this work gets completed. So total days required is 15. So answer is 15. Next. Amal can complete a job in 10 days. Bimal can complete it in 8 days. The first thing which comes in my mind, assuming total work. So let's do that. So total work 40 units, LCM of these two. Now we can find out the efficiency of Amal, that will be 40 by 10, 4 units, and efficiency of Bimal 40 by 8, 5 units. Amal, Bimal and Kamal together complete a job. Job means 40 units in 4 days. So if these 3 persons, Amal, Bimal, Kamal, and they worked for 4 days, the work done is 40 units. Now I can put the values of A, B. Okay. So 4 plus 5 plus K. If you observe, this got cancelled out. So K comes out as 1 unit. Right? Now they are paid a total amount of 1000 as remuneration if this amount is shared by them in proportion to their work. So if you observe, Amal does 4 units of work per day, Bimal 5 and Kamal 1. So the efficiency of these 3 persons is 4:5:1, or you can say ratio of work is 4:5:1. So the share of Kamal will be 1 by 10 into 1000. Because this is the basic concept that the amount or money is divided in the ratio of their work done. जो जितना ज्यादा काम करेगा उसे ज्यादा पैसे मिलेंगे, जो जितना कम करेगा उसे कम पैसे मिलेंगे, राइट? नेक्स्ट, a tank has an inlet pipe and outlet pipe. If the outlet pipe is closed, the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 8 hours and 10 hours. The first thing which comes in my mind, total work 40 units. Again the LCM of 8 and 10. Now use this information. If the outlet pipe is closed, that means only inlet pipe is working, and inlet pipe efficiency will be 40 by 8, 5 units. If the outlet pipe is open, then the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 10 hours. That means inlet plus outlet, both are working together. Now, they complete this work in 10 hours. It means efficiency will be 4 units. Now, I can put the value of inlet here to find out the efficiency of outlet. 5 plus outlet is equal to 4. So, outlet efficiency is minus 1 unit. Next, if only the outlet pipe is open, then in how many hours the full tank becomes half? That means we have to drain 20 units and the efficiency is 1 unit. So, time taken will be 20 by 1. That is 20 hours. Option number A. Next, a tank is fitted with pipes. Some are filling, rest are draining. Okay. So, filling pipe suppose F and draining suppose D. Okay, moving on. All the filling pipes fill at the same rate and draining pipes drain at the same rate. Okay. The empty tank gets filled in 6 hours when 6 filling pipe and 5 draining pipes are on. Okay. That means filling pipes हैं, मैंने यहाँ पे efficiency बोल देता हूँ उनकी F unit per hours की बात हो रही है, I think D units per. ठीक है. Now you can see 6 filling pipe है 6F, 5 draining है 5D, and they complete the work in 6 hours. Okay, is equal to, because work is constant, now this work is done by 5 filling pipes and 6 drain pipe in 60 hours, right? Now obviously the value of D will be coming out as negative because drain है तो negative work होगा. F की value positive आएगी, वो automatically आने वाली है, देखिएगा. This got cancelled out. So 6F plus 5D, 50F plus 60D. You can check, this is coming out as 44F is equal to minus 55D. ठीक है, तो यहां से आपको F by D की वैल्यू मिलेगी 5 upon minus 4. Remember, F की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगी, D की वैल्यू नेगेटिव, राइट? नाउ we can easily find out the work also. Work is how much? Put it here. So 6 into 5 plus 5 into minus 4 into 6, right? So work will be 30 minus 20, that is 10 into 6, 60 units. Now this work is done by 1 drain and 2 filling pipes. So efficiency of 2F and 1 drain is, put the value, 2 into 5 minus 4, that is 6. So time taken will be 60 by 6, that is 10 hours. Next, humans and robots can both perform a job but at different efficiency. 15 humans and 5 robots working together take 30 days to finish the work. So 30 into 15 humans H 5 robots, 5 hours, right? Man days concept we are using here, you can see. Whereas 5 humans, 15 robots working together takes 60 days. Now let's simplify this. Cancel out 2 times. 15h plus 5r, 10h plus 30r. So 5h, 25r. So h by r is 5 by 1. So I can say if h is taking 5 units, r will be taking 1 unit. Okay? Now, we got this thing. Next part is how many days will 15 humans working together take to finish it? Okay, let's put the value first to find out the work. So work will be 30 into 15 into 5, 75 plus 5. 30 into 80, that is 2400. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप क्या बोलता है next? In how many days will 15 humans together? So efficiency, you know this. So time will be, guys, 2400 divided by 15 into 5. ठीक है, let's cancel this out. This is 480 and 15 3 is 30, 40, sorry 45, 32. So answer is 32. Next. When they work alone, B needs 25% more time to finish a job than A does. It means if A takes 4x days, 25% means 1 by 4, right? So if I say A takes 4x days, B will take 5x days. 25% more, so 5x, right? They too finish the job in 13 days in the following manner. A works alone till the half the job is done. So A completed 50% of work alone. A and B work together for 4 days and finally B works alone to complete the remaining 5%. So B has done 5% of work. So we can understand that A plus B has done 45% of work in 4 days. Right? Now, can I find out 100% of work if A and B together do? So how much time will they take? Let's find out. So 45% of work is done in 4 days. So 45 by 100 of work, that is equal to 4. So work done, total work done will be, multiply कर दीजिए. So 9, 20, so 20 into 4, 80 by 9. That means if A and B work together, they will take how much time? 80 by 9 days, right? Now, I hope many of you know this formula that if A takes X days to complete a work, B takes Y days to complete the work. So if they together do a certain piece of work, time taken will be XY upon X plus Y. Right? If you know this formula, this question becomes little bit easy. Now, A is taking 4x, B is taking 5x. So 4x into 5x upon 4x plus 5x, and this will be equal to 80 by 9. Okay, so from this we will find out the value 20x square upon 9x, 80 by 9, 9 got cancelled out, x got cancelled out, this also got cancelled out, so x is equal to 4. Now what question is asking? In how many days can B alone finish the entire job? So x value we know 4, 5 into 4 is 20. Next, guys. A water tank has inlets of 2 types A and B. All inlets of type A when open bring in water at the same rate. Okay. Okay. The empty tank is completely filled in 30 minutes if 10 inlets of type A and 45 inlets of type B are open and they work for 30 minutes. 30 minutes I can say 1 by 2, half hour. Next. And in 1 hour, if 8 inlets of type A and 18 of type B now let's simplify this. So 2 I'm sending to the right hand side. So this is 9B is equal to 6A, right? Or I can say 6A is equal to 9B. So A by B is equal to 3 by 2. That means efficiency of A is 3 units, so efficiency of B will be 2 units, right? Next. So next I will find out work first. In such type of question, always find out the work. So what is work? Let's put this value here, or you can put it here, that will be easy. 8 into 3 plus 18 into 2. So 24 plus 36, 60. That is work, right? In how many minutes will the empty tank get completely filled if 7 inlets? So efficiency of 7 inlets of type A and 27 of type B. Let's find out the efficiency. Let's put the value. 7 into 3, 27 into 2. 21 plus 54. That is 75. So time taken will be, because these persons or these pipes has to complete this work, 60 units, right? So 60 by 75 hours. This is an hour. And to convert into minute, we need to multiply by 60. Now, let's cancel this out. 15 5s are 75, 4. So answer is 48 minutes. Next. Ramesh and Ganesh can together complete a work in 16 days. After 7 days of working together, Ramesh got sick and his efficiency fell by 30%. So that means you can see 7 days of working together. So the work left is 9 days of these two persons together. So 9 into R plus G. This is your work left, right? Now, Ramesh got sick and his efficiency fell by 30%. As a result, they completed the work in 17 days instead of 16 days. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया है, आप ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि एफिशिएंसी फेल कम हो गई है 30% से, ठीक है? Okay, so we can say 0.3R plus G as it is, but they are taking how much time? Okay, sorry, 30% से कम हो गई है. Sorry. This is 0.7. This is 0.7. And they are taking now how many days? 17 days. So the work which should be done in 9 days, now they are taking 10 days, 1 day extra. Let's simplify this. So 9R plus 9G, 7R plus 10G. So when we simplify this, 2R is equal to G. So R by G is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so efficiency of this is 1 unit. Efficiency of this person is 2 unit. Now question setter is asking, if Ganesh had worked alone, in how many days would he have completed the remaining work? So what is remaining work? First find out remaining work. 9 into 1 plus 2, 27 units. And this work is done by Ganesh alone. So 27 by 2, 13.5. Option number C. Next, a tank is emptied every day at a fixed time point. Immediately thereafter, either pump A or pump B or both start working until the tank is full. Okay. On Monday, A alone completed and filling the tank at 8 p.m. So we do not know when A started the work. So what I'm doing, I do not know the efficiency of A also. So I am taking the efficiency of A as A, efficiency of B as B, right? And the time taken by A is, let's say, T hours. So total work will be this. लिख देता हूं मैं यहाँ पे, efficiency of A is A, B is B. And let's say time taken by A is T hours. So A into T, that is total work. On Tuesday, B alone completed filling the tank at 6 p.m. ठीक है? That means as compared to A, B is taking 2 hours less. So efficiency of B into T minus 2. On Wednesday, A worked till 5 p.m. That means A T minus 3 hours plus, and then B worked alone from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So B worked for 2 hours to fill the tank. So this is total work, you can see. Now I will try to find out some relation between A, B, right? So let's solve them individually. So first I'm targeting these two in order to find out something. Then I will obviously go to this, right? Or you can start with this also. Okay, let's solve this. AT is equal to BT minus 2B. This is first equation. Now if I focus on this, BT minus 2B is equal to AT minus, or you can, I'm just focusing on this as of now. अभी ये दिमाग में आ रहा है, इसको लेते हैं पहले एक बार. AT is equal to AT minus 3A plus 2B. ठीक है? Right, this is my second equation. So यहाँ से, from this we can cancel this out. So we can say 3A is equal to 2B. So A by B I am getting as 2 by 3. So we got to know the efficiency of A and B. I can say A takes up 2 units, B takes 3 units. And if I put this here, I can find out the value of T also. Let's put it here. So 2T is equal to 3T minus 6. So T is equal to 6. So we got the time also, right? So we can say the work will be 12 units. Work will be 12 units, right? 80. Work is 80, right? So 2 into 6, 12 units. Now, at what time was the tank filled on Thursday if both pipes were used simultaneously? Okay. So time taken will be 12 by 5. And in hours and minute, if I convert it, so I can say 2 hours, 24 minutes. Right. Now, when did they started working? If I talk about A took 6 hours and A completed this work at 8 p.m. That means A must have started working at 2 p.m. 8 minus 6, 2 p.m. right? तभी 6 hours लगेंगे उसको, right? Now, after 2 p.m., if these two people started working together, they will take 2 hours 24 minutes. So right answer will be 2 plus 2 hours 24 minutes. That is option number B. Next, 3 men. So men I am taking capital M, machines I am taking small m. 8 machines can finish a job in half the time taken by, so half, let's say 1 by 2 hours, or you can say 1 by 2 ले लेते हैं, या T by 2 भी ले सकते हो, whatever you feel like. 3 machines and 8 men. Okay, time is half, right? So you can see this T got cancelled out. So we can say 3 men, 8 machines, 16 men, 6 machines. So I can say 13 men is equivalent to 3 machines. No, 2 machines, 2 machines. Okay? Now question says if two machines can finish the job in 13 days. If these two machines taking 13 days to finish the work. So obviously these 13 men will also take 13 days to complete the work, right? Because two machines is equivalent to 13 men. Simple. Easy question. Next. At their usual efficiency level, A and B together finish a task in 12 days. So, A plus B, 12 days, right? Into 12. If A had worked half as efficiently as she usually does, so A by 2 plus B had worked thrice, so 3B, right? The task would have been completed in 9 days. So we got our relation M1 D1, man days, right? Now let's simplify this. I can further cancel. So simplify karte chalo. 12A. Okay, I can cancel this out now. I can see. देखिए यहाँ से let's cancel this out by 3. Okay, चल. 4A plus 4B is equal to 3A by 2 plus 9B. So when you subtract this, you will get 4 to the 8, 5A by 2 is equal to 5B. 5 से 5 cancel out. So A by B is equal to 2 by 1. So we can say if efficiency of A is 2 unit, efficiency of B will be 1 unit. Now what will be the work? Work will be 2 plus 1 into 12. That is 36 units. Now question setter is asking you कि how many days would A take to finish the work? So time will be 36 by 2, that is 18. Next. John get rupees 57 per hour for regular work. Okay. So regular work के लिए 57 rupees per hour. And overtime के लिए he gets 114 rupees per hour. If he works altogether 172 hours. Now I do not know how many hours he has invested in regular, how many hours he has invested in overtime. So what I am doing here, I am saying suppose regular hours he took is R and overtime is O. So R plus O is equal to 172. That is your first equation. And his income from overtime hours is 15% of his. Okay. So number of overtime hours is O. And the money he will be getting 114 O. That is 15% of 15%, 15 by 100 of income from regular hours. So 57 hour. Now let's cancel this out. 19, 57 से भी चला जाएगा. 57 into 2 directly. This 320. So you can say O is equal to 3R by 40. ठीक है. Now if I put it here, I can say R plus 3R by 40 is equal to 172. So this will be 43R by 40 is equal to 172. Now you can cancel this out by 4, I think, right? So R is equal to 160. Now what is question setter asking you? Overtime. So you can put this here and you can say O will be 172 minus 160, that is 12. So answer is 12. Next. Anil alone can do a job in 20 days while Sunil alone can do it in 40 days. So what I'll be doing here, the first part is total work I'm taking as 40 units. ठीक है. अब 40 यूनिट्स टोटल वर्क है तो अनिल की एफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी यहाँ से 2 यूनिट्स एंड सुनील की एफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी 1 यूनिट. ठीक है. अनिल स्टार्ट्स अ जॉब एंड आफ्टर 3 days सुनील जॉइंस हिम. ठीक है. So that means Anil has worked for 3 days alone. So 2 into 3, 6 units is done by Anil alone. ठीक है. And that means he has worked for 3 days, right? He has worked for 3 days. ठीक है. Okay. After a few more days, Bimal joins them and they together finish the job in time I do not know. if Bimal has done 10% of the job, 10% of the job means Bimal has done 10% of 40, that is 4 unit. Now this Bimal has done this 4 unit, this must be done along with, Anil and Sunil, right? He is not working alone, right? So also we can understand that 30 units of work is done by Anil and Sunil. So how much time Anil and Sunil is taking? So Anil and Sunil efficiency is 2 plus 1, 3. So time taken by Anil and Sunil will be 30 by 3, that is 10. Okay? In 10 days, obviously, Bimal will also be working with them, but we do not need to worry about that in how many days Bimal is completing his work. We need to find out the total time. So we can say Anil is working for 3 days, and then the remaining 10 days, they somehow manage to complete remaining work, right? In some part, Bimal will also be working. In some part, Anil and Sunil will be working alone, right? So we can say the total time will be 3 plus 10, 13 days. It's a very good question, guys. But if you solve this in this way, you can solve this question within 30 seconds. Moving on. John takes twice as much time as Jack to finish a job. Jack and Jim together take 1/3 of the time to finish the job than John takes working alone, and lots of information given to us. In how many days will Jim finish the job working alone? So how to find out this? Let's see. So John, focus karte, John and Jack. Efficiency ratio is what? 2, ये है टाइम का रेशियो. टाइम का रेशियो कितना है? 2:1 का टाइम का रेशियो. Because John is taking twice as time as compared to Jack, 2:1. So you guys know that efficiency has an inverse relation with respect to time. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time, right? If someone is taking more time, he is less efficient. So inverse relation hai. So efficiency of John and Jack will be what? 1:2. ठीक है. Next, Jack and Jim take 1/3 of the time to finish the job than John takes alone. So ratio कितना है? Ratio है यहाँ पे 1/3, मतलब 1:3. ठीक है जी. इसका क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे कि आपको टाइम का रेशियो मिल गया है. You got the ratio of time. So you can say efficiency ratio will be Jack plus Jim ratio John, that will be 3:1. Inverse relation hai, right? Now if you use merging of ratios easily, if you can use merging of ratios easily, you can easily connect. If you see John is 1, here John is also 1. So if I say John is doing 1 unit of work, Jack will be doing 2 unit of work, and Jack plus Jim is doing 3 unit of work. So Jim will be doing 1 unit of work. Okay? So we got a relation between these 3 people in terms of their efficiency. Now, next part is, moreover, in order to finish the job, John takes 3 days more than that taken by 3 of them working together. ठीक है? इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? If these 3 people are working together, so how much work they will do? 4 units, and let's say they take 3 T hours to complete the work. 4 unit of work, and let's say they take T hours to complete the work. ठीक है? तो total work will be 40. And John takes 3 days more. John की efficiency कितना है? 1 है. So 1 into T plus 3. Now from this, we will be able to find out the value of T. चलिए देखते हैं. So 4T is equal to T plus 3, 3T is equal to 3, T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. So we got to know the time taken by these 3 people working together is how much? 1 hour. And time taken by John will be how much? T plus 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 hours. Now question says, in how many days will Jim finish the job working alone? So first of all, we will try to find out the total work. So total work is 4 unit, and Jim efficiency is 1. So time taken by Jim will be 4 by 1, that is 4 hours. ठीक है, so answer of this question will be 4. That's it. अच्छा, ये डेज के रिस्पेक्ट में बात कर रहा था क्या? डेज के रिस्पेक्ट में बात कर लीजिए, फर्क थोड़ी ना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो डेज है ये, तो आंसर तो वैसे इसका क्या है, 4 है. ठीक है, तो ये 4 डेज कर देता हूं मैं, जिससे कंफ्यूजन ना हो आप लोगों को. सो एवरीथिंग इज इन डेज गाइस. सो वहां पे भी वो टी डेज ही था. ओके, नेक्स्ट. A contractor agreed to construct a 6-kilometer road in 200 days. So this question is based on contractor problem, and the concept used will be M1 D1 upon W1 is equal to M2 D2 upon W2. Now let's find out the value of M1. 140 persons started working, right? They worked for 60 days and only 1.5 kilometer work has been completed. Now he has hired some additional persons. So suppose 140 plus X. The X is the additional person he has hired. And these people will work for remaining days because they have to complete this work in 200 days. 60 days already used. So 140 days are available. And they have to complete remaining work, which is 4.5. So this got cancelled out 3 times. This cancel out. So 180 is equal to 140 plus X. X is equal to 40. So 40 additional men is required to finish this work exactly on time. Let's move on. Anu, Vinu, Manu can complete a work alone in 15, 12 and 20. So the first thing which comes in my mind, total work. So total work is LCM of these. So 60 units. I can clearly see that. Efficiency of Anu will be 4, Vinu 5, Manu 3. ठीक है, Vinu works every day. Vinu is working every day. Anu works only on alternate days starting from the first day. That means Vinu is working with Anu on the first day. ठीक है, Manu works only on the alternate days starting from the second days. Okay, Vinu and Manu is working on the second days. Now they will start alternating. So what happens on third day? Vinu and Anu will be working because Vinu works on every day. Next, Vinu and Manu will be working, and so on and so forth. So Vinu and Anu is doing how much work? 8 units. Sorry, 9 units, 9 units. And Vinu and Manu, 8 units. 9, 8, and so on. Like this. So on. Right? 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8. The number of days needed to complete a work, we have to complete 60 units. So you can check 17, 17, 17, and this 17 3s are 51 plus 9, 60. So we took how many days? 7 days. Because on the first day, 9 unit work done, second 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9. If you take the sum, you will get 60 unit, which is the required work, and the time taken is 7 days. Next. Amar, Akbar and Anthony are working on a project. Working together, Amar and Akbar can complete a work in 1 year. फिर months. Okay, months की बात हो रही है, तो I can say this is 12 months and this is 24 months. So let's take the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. I can see 48 unit. Work is 48 unit. Now, Amar and Akbar. So, Amar plus Akbar is doing this work in 12 months. So, I can say 4 units efficiency. Akbar and Anthony, 16 months. So, 48 divided by 16, 3 units. Anthony and Amar complete this work in 24 months because I have converted everything in months, right? 2 units. Okay. Now, I can add these 3. So, I can say Amar, Akbar, Anthony is equal to 9 by 2 units. चलो पूरा समझा देता हूँ. This is twice. ठीक है? If you add these 3, you will get twice 9 units. So you can say Amar plus Akbar plus Anthony is equal to 9/2 units, right? Now we can find out the individual efficiencies also. If I put this value here, I will get Anthony as 0.5 units, because this is, guys, 4.5. If you can see, this is 4.5. If I put this here, I will get Amar as 1.5. And if I put this here, I will get Akbar as 2.5. Okay? Now, if the person who is neither the fastest, this is fastest because he is doing more work, nor the slowest, he is doing the least work. The time in months he will take to complete the project. So we have to solve for this. So 48 divided by 1.5, or you can say 3/2. So when you simplify this, you will get answer as 32 months. So Amar will take 32 months to complete this work. ठीक है? Next part पे आते हैं, guys. Next है, two pipes A and B are attached to empty water tank. Pipe A fills the tank while pipe B drains. ठीक है? One is doing positive, another will be doing negative. If pipe A is opened at 2 p.m. and pipe B is opened at 3 p.m., tank becomes full at 10 p.m. So pipe A must have worked for 8 hours. So 8A. Pipe B must have worked for 7 hours minus 7B. You can say. ठीक है? Or you can take plus also. B will be coming out negative. Totally your choice. Some people takes 8A plus 7B. In that case, you will be getting B value as negative. When you are taking already negative sign, there you will be getting value of B as positive. But you have to keep this thing in mind that B will be doing the negative work. Okay? Instead, if pipe A is open at 2 p.m., pipe B is open at 4 p.m., the tank becomes full at 6 p.m. चलिए इसको देख लेते हैं. तो 4 hours A ने काम किया होगा, B ने 2 hours. This is your work. So simplify. 4A is equal to 5B. So A by B is equal to 5/4. ठीक है? So A will be doing 5 units of work, B will be doing 4 units of drain. ठीक है? So total work is what? 8 into 5 minus 7 into 4. 40 minus 28, 12 units. This is your work. Now, if pipe B is not open at all, the time in minutes taken to fill the tank. So A will be working alone. So time is 12/5. Now this is in hours. We need to convert into minutes. So answer is 144 minutes. Option number C. Next. Anil can paint a house in 60 days. Bimal can paint it in 84 days. So work is 420 units, the LCM of these two. Anil, efficiency of Anil, guys, 420 by 60, 7 units. Bimal efficiency will be 5 units. Anil starts painting and after 10 days. So that means Anil has worked alone for 10 days. So 7 into 10, 70 units of work has been done. Now, Bimal and Charu join him. So that means A, B, C. 3 people are working and they complete a painting in 14 more days. So they work together for 14 days and they must be doing the remaining work. You know, A has already completed 70 units. So remaining work is 350 units, which will be done by these 3 people. So I hope we can find out the value of A plus B plus C. Let's cancel out this. I can put this here. So the efficiency of C, that is Charu, will be 13 units. ठीक है. Now, what we have to find out? If they are paid a total of 21,000 for the job, then the share of Charu proportionate to the work done by him. Let's find out the work done by A. If you observe, A has completed 70 units plus A has worked 14 more days. Efficiency of A is 7. So 7 into 14. So work done by A will be this much. Work done by Bimal will be how much? Vimal has worked only for 14 days, so 5 into 14. And Charu has worked for 14 days. Efficiency of Charu is 13, so 13 into 14. Now we can cancel out 14 easily. So 14 देखिए cancel out यहाँ से, यहाँ पे common ले लिया, यहाँ पे 14 यहाँ से cancel out होगा, यहाँ से 5. So ये 12, ये 5, ये 13. So the ratio we are getting is 12 is to 5 is to 13. The ratio of work done by these three people is 12 is to 5 is to 13. And you need to find out the share of Charu, that is C. So 13 by 30 into 21,000, that is 9100. Option number B. Next. One day Rahul started a work at 9 a.m. Gautam joined him 2 hours later. Then they worked together and completed the work at 9 p.m. the same day. If you observe, Rahul has worked from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. That means Rahul must have worked for 8 hours. And the efficiency of, let's say, Rahul is R. So 8 hours. Gautam worked only for 6 hours because Gautam joined 2 hours later. So plus 6G. Okay. If both had started at 9 a.m., the work would have been completed 30 minutes earlier. मतलब 5 p.m. से 30 minutes earlier. Right? That means they must be working for only 7.5 hours. Let's find out the value of R and G. 7.5 R plus 7.5 G. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 0.5 R is equal to 1.5 G. So we can cancel this out. R by G will be 3 by 1. That means efficiency of Rahul is 3 units. So Gautam ki 1 unit. Now what is total work? Work will be, you can put it here also, 7.5 into 3 plus 1, that is 30 units. So total work you got to know, that is 30 units. Now working alone, the time Rahul would have taken in hours to complete the work. So Rahul efficiency is 3. So time taken will be, guys, 30 by 3, that is 10 hours. Option number D. Next says Anil can paint a house in 12 days. Varun can paint it in 16 days. Anil, Varun, Chandu undertake to paint the house for this, and 3 of them together can complete a painting in 6 days. So first let's take the LCM. So total work is LCM of these two, 48 units. So efficiency of Anil is 4. Efficiency of Varun is 3. Now when these 3 people, Anil, Varun and Chandu, work together, they complete the painting in 6 days. So I can say A plus B plus C into 6 is equal to 48. So 4 plus 3 plus C, this got cancelled out. ठीक है, तो C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. ठीक है. Now, if Chandu is paid in proportion to the work done by him, so if you can see, Anil, efficiency of work of Anil is 4, Varun is 3 and Chandu is 1, and all these people are doing work for 6 days. So you can say the ratio of work done by Anil is this, Varun is this, and Chandu is this. And 6 got cancelled out. So ratio of work will be 4 is to 3 is to 1. So Chandu will be receiving, Chandu's share will be 1 by 8 of 24,000. That is 3,000. Easy question on money, which is involved in time and work. Next, guys. Working alone, the times taken by Anu, Tanu, Manu to complete any job are in the ratio 5 is to 8 is to 10. Okay. So you know efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So we can say the ratio of their efficiency will be, how much? 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. Now, let's take the LCM of this 40, 8, 5, 4. So we got to know the efficiency of these 3 people. So I can say if Anu takes 8 units Anu does 8 units of work per hour. Tanu does 5 units of work per hour. And Manu does 4 units of work per hour. Okay? Next part. They accept a job which they can finish in 4 days if all they work together for 8 hours per day. So total work we can find out. Work will be what, guys? 4 into 8, 32, and this. So 4 days working 8 hours per day, and the combined efficiency is 8 plus 9, 17. 5 plus 4, 9 into plus, yeah. I think we need to solve this. 32 into 17. 17 twos are 34, 17. Let me check once again. 17 twos are 34, 3, 17 threes are 51. Yeah, perfect. So we got the work also. Okay. Next, what else we can do? However, if Anu and Tanu work together for first 6 days, Anu and Tanu, we are talking about these two. So 13 into 6, 78 units of work has been done. Working 6 hours, 40 minutes, sorry, we have to consider that also. 6 hours, 40 minutes means 6 2 by 3 hours. That is 20 by 3 hours. Okay, guys? So 13 into 6 into 20 by 3 hours. This got cancelled out. This is 520 units. Okay. So the remaining units is okay, sorry, I missed out something here. This is 544, right? So remaining work is 544 minus 520. That is 24. Okay, remaining work we got to know 24. Next, the number of hours that Manu will take to complete the remaining job working alone. So Manu, 24 by 4, 6 hours. Because this is the efficiency of Manu per hour, right? Remaining work is 24. So that is done by Manu in 6 hours. Next, a group of n people worked on a project. They finished 35% of project by working 7 hours a day. So n into 7, m1 d1 into h1, and the work completed is 35%. 10 people left the group, so number of people left is 10, n minus 10. The remaining people finished the rest of the project in 14 days by working 10 hours a day, 65%. This got cancelled out. This got cancelled out. Percentage gone. 7 5s are 35. 13 5s are 65. So 13n is equal to 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10, right? 10n minus 200. So 3n is equal to, sorry, I must have done 10 people left a group, remaining people finished the rest of the project in 14 days by working 10 hours a day. I have to check the calculation. This is 7, this is 7, this is 7, not 5, sorry for that. So 13n, 14n minus 140. So n is equal to 140. So n is equal to 140. Bob can finish a job in 40 days if he works alone. Alex is twice as fast as Bob. So what I'm doing, I'm taking work. अच्छा एक और चीज देखना पड़ेगा एक मिनट. Alex is twice as fast as Bob and thrice as fast as Cole. Okay. So if you observe, Alex is twice as fast as Bob, thrice as fast as Cole. So Alex is a multiple of 2 as well as 3. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking Alex, suppose 6 units of work. Alex does 6 units of work. So Bob will be doing 3 units of work. And Cole must be doing 2 units of work. Right? Okay. And total work will be, guys, total work will be, since Bob can finish the job in 40 days, So 40 into 3, 120 units. So we got to know total work also. Next part. A and B work together on the first day. So A plus B, that means 9 units of work. B and C on the second day, 5 units. A and C, 8 units. Then they continue to work by repeating this 3-day roster. So if you observe in 3 days how much work has been done. So 9 plus 5, 14 into 8, 22 units. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 8, 22 units has been done in 3 days, right? Then the total number of days Alex would have worked when the job get finished. Okay, let's understand this. So in 3 days, if you observe in 3 days, 22 units of work has been done. I need to reach to 120 units. So if I multiply by 5, I can say 15 days. In 15 days, 110 units of work has been done. Right? Next, the turn of A and B. So 16th day, 9 units of work will be done. And then the turn of B and C, and 1 unit of work has been done. But here we are looking for Alex. How many days Alex worked. So if you observe carefully, in every 3 days, in the first 3 days, Alex is working for 2 days. So in 15 days, Alex must be working for 10 days. क्योंकि हर 3 दिन में 2 दिन तो Alex से काम कर रहा है. देखो यहाँ पे भी, right? So in 15 days, Alex must be working for 10 days. Here also Alex worked because this, right? So in total, I can say Alex worked 10 plus 11 days. So answer is 11. Next, the amount of job that Amal, Sunil, Kamal can individually do in a day are in harmonic progression. Okay. So what I'm doing, if I say ASK, I have taken the efficiency of these 3 persons as ASK. If ASK are in HP, so we know S is equal to 2AK upon A plus K. This is our first equation, right? If 3 numbers are in HP, so middle number is equal to this. Now, so this is efficiency we have taken care. Kamal takes twice as much time as Amal to do the same amount of job. So if you see the ratio of time between Kamal and Amal is 2:1. Okay? Kamal is taking twice time as Amal. So that means we can say efficiency of Amal must be twice of Kamal, because efficiency has an inverse relation. Amal efficiency is A, so and Kamal is K, so I can say A is equal to 2K. Now I can put it here. S is equal to 2 into 2K into K. This is 3K. 2K plus K, 3K. Now you can easily cancel out K. So you can say S is equal to 4K by 3. Okay. Now if I assume something to make my question easy, what I can do, you can see 4K by 3. So if I say Kamal efficiency is 3 unit. So Sunil, S will be 4 unit and Amal will be 6 unit. Okay, we got to know the efficiencies, right? Next, if Amal, Sunil work for 4 days. Amal and Sunil work for 4 days. So 6 plus 4, 10 into 4. Okay, plus 9 days respectively. Okay, sorry for this. Amal is working for 4 days, 6 into 4. Sunil is working for 9 days, 4 into 9. Kamal needs to work for 16 days to finish the remaining job, 16 into 3. So this will be work. How much? 24 plus 36, 60 plus 48. That is 108 units. This is the work. the number of days Sunil will take to finish the job working alone. Sunil efficiency is 4. So time taken by Sunil will be 108 by 4, that is 27 days, right? Days. So it's a very good question because here we are using concept of progression also. Next, guys. Pipe A and C are filling pipes. Pipe B is a drain pipe. Pipe B empties the full tank in 1 hour less than the time taken by pipe A to fill the tank. Okay. So if I say A is taking A hours, B will be taking A minus 1 hour. ठीक है. And C I do not know, so C का ले लेते हैं C hours. Right? ठीक है. When pipes A, B, C are turned on together, the empty tank is filled in 2 hours. Okay. Pipe B will be doing a negative work. We know that. ठीक है. So if I use the fraction method, or if I say the total work is, let's say, 1 unit. If I say total work is 1 unit. ठीक है. So A efficiency will be what? 1 by A. B efficiency will be what? Minus 1, A minus 1, because it will be doing negative work. C efficiency will be 1 by C. And in 2 hours, that means in 1 hour, the work done will be 1 by 2. Right? ठीक है? Because 2 hours में 1 unit work complete करते हैं, तो 1 hour में 1 by 2. So in 1 hour, their combined efficiency is this, and the total work done is 1 by 2. We got our first equation. Similarly, if pipe B and C are turned on together when the tank is empty, pipe B is turned off after 1 hour, then pipe C takes another 1 hour 15 minutes to fill the remaining tank. Now these two are working together. They started working together. Pipe B worked for only 1 hour. So pipe B worked for only 1 hour. So minus A minus 1. Pipe C takes another 1 hour, 15 minutes. So 1 plus 1, 1 by 4. That is 9 by 4. So C worked for 9 by 4 hours. Okay. Okay, and they completed the work. So 9 by 4 C is equal to 1. Efficiency of C will be 1 by C in 1 hour. C worked for 9 by 4. So that's why this, right? Total work is done. So यहाँ से what we can say? We can say 9 by 4 C is equal to 1 plus 1 upon A minus 1. If you simplify this, A minus 1 plus 1, you will be getting A. So you can say 1 by C is equal to 4A upon 9 into A minus 1. Okay, you got this. Now, you can put this here. So 1 upon A minus 1 upon A minus 1 plus 4A 9A minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now let's take the LCM, guys. LCM is 9A, A minus 1. So you will be getting here what? 9A minus 1. Here you will be getting 9A. And here you will be getting 4A into A square, 1 by 2. Okay. Let's simplify this. I can see 9A got cancelled out. So minus 9 plus 4A square. And this is 9A square minus 9 is equal to 1 by 2. So when we simplify this, we will be getting minus 18 plus 8A square is equal to 9A square minus 9. So A square, did I miss out? Okay, this is 9A. Guys, this is 9A. Okay, 9A. A square minus 9A plus 18 is equal to 0. So from this, you will get A as 3 as well as 6, right? If you observe, if pipe A can fill the empty tank in less than 5 hours, so I cannot consider this value. This is not possible because of this statement that the value of A should be less than 5 hours. So the value of A will be 3. If value of A will be 3, question is asking the time taken in minutes by pipe C to fill the empty tank. So yeah, here you can put the value of A to find out value of C. So 1 by C is equal to 4 into 3, 9 into 2. Okay. So this got cancelled out. This got cancelled out. So C is coming out as 3 by 2 hours. Or to convert into minutes, we need to multiply by 60. So 90 minutes will be the right answer. So it's a very good question on time and work. Next question. Gautam and Sohani working together can finish a job in 20 days. So suppose Gautam efficiency is G, Sohani efficiency is S. They complete a work in 20 days. If Gautam does only 60% of work, 0.6 G, and Sohani must do 150% of her usual work to make up for it. Okay, we got another equation. Make up for it, that means they are also taking 20 days to complete a work because Gautam efficiency has down, and since Gautam efficiency has gone down, Sohani has increased her efficiency to compensate that, right? Now, obviously, from this you can find out relation between Gautam and Sohani. So 0.4 G, 0.5 S. So G by S is equal to 5 by 4. So if Gautam efficiency is 5 unit, Sohani efficiency is 4 units. So what will be the work, guys? Work will be 5 plus 4, 9 into 20, that is 180 units. Okay. Now, then the number of days required by the faster worker to complete the job working alone. Okay. Faster worker is Gautam. So time taken will be 180 by 5, that is 36. Next. Rahul, Rakshita and Gurmeet working together would have taken more than 7 days to finish a job. Okay, it means what we can understand, let's say the efficiency of this is A, this is B, this is C. So 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C should be less than 1 by 7. Because they take more than 7 days to finish a job. So in 1 day, they must be doing less than 1 by 7 of work, right? भाई अगर कोई बंदा 7 दिन से ज़्यादा टाइम लेता है तो एक दिन में वो 1 by 7 से कम करेगा. मैं आपको एक छोटी सी कॉमन सेंस से बात बता देता हूँ. If someone is taking 7 days to complete a work, in 1 day they will be doing 1 by 7 of unit. If they are taking more than 7 days, that means they must be doing less than 1 by 7th of work in 1 day. On the other hand, Rahul and Gurmeet working together would have taken less than 15 days to finish the job. Okay, so that means Rahul कौन है? A है, 1 by A, 1 by C. ठीक है? Okay. Next. However, if they all worked together for 6 days, that means these 3 persons together worked for 6 days, followed by Rakshita. Rakshita means B, who worked alone for 3 more days. So 3 by B to finish the job. The work is done. So work is 1 unit, right? Work is 1 unit. Now, what we can do? If Rakshita had worked alone on the job, the number of days she would have taken. So we need to find out the value of B. So I can see if I use these two equations smartly, I can easily find out the value of B. Right? ठीक है. So इसको solve करते हैं. So we can say 6 into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is 1 minus 3 by B. Right? And 6 goes to left and right hand side. So we get to know the value of this. We will find out the value of this. So 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1 upon 6 1 minus 3 by B, right? Now I can put this here. So 1 upon 6, 1 minus 3 by B is less than 1 by 7. Send it to the right hand side. 1 minus 3 by B, 6 by 7. Okay. Now take this on the right hand side and this on left hand side. So 1 by 7 पूरा लिख देते हैं 1 minus 1 by 6 by 7 less than 3 by B. So 1 by 7 less than 3 by B. Or you can say 3 by B is greater than 1 by 7. Okay. So you can simplify this and you can say 21 is greater than B or B is less than 21. So time taken by B should be less than 21 days. Now question says if Rakshita had worked alone on the job, okay, then the number of days she would have taken to finish the job cannot be. So B cannot be 21. Because what I did, let me make you understand this again. What I did here, guys, I have said, suppose Rahul is taking A days to complete a work. B is taking, Rakshita is taking B days and Gurmeet is taking, suppose, C days to complete a work. And together they are taking more than 7 days to finish the work. So if work is 1 unit, time take in 1 day, this Rahul will be doing 1 by A unit and Rakshita will be doing 1 by B unit. Gurmeet will be doing 1 by C unit. In together, they will be doing less than 1 by 7. So in such a way, we were able to solve this. Now you must be wondering what is the use of this information? Obviously, because of this, I am able to find out the minimum value of B because I will be getting a range. But here, luckily I got the answer from solving only these two. तो इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. But अगर minimum पूछा होता कि what can be the minimum value of B, so for that I need to use this part. But as of now, there is no requirement. So let's move on to the next part. Renu would take 15 days working 4 hours per day to complete a certain task. So Renu takes 60 hours. Seema 40 hours. Total work, LCM of these two, 120 units. So Renu 3 units per hour. Seema 2 units per hour. Next, they decided to work together to complete this task. Seema argues to work for the double the number of hours per day as Renu, okay? While Renu agrees to work for the double number of days as Seema. Fine. If Renu works for 2 hours per day, it means if Renu is working for 2 hours per day, so Seema is doing that work for double the number of hours. So Seema must be doing for 4 hours per day. Also, while Renu agrees to work for double the number of days as Seema. So suppose Seema is doing work for X days. So Renu must be doing for 2X days. Okay. Chaliye, number of days Seema will take. Let's find out the value of X. We know the total work is 120 units. We know the efficiency of these people also. This is this. So 3 units per hour, they are doing 2 hours per day for 2X days. So 3 into 2 into 2X plus 2 into 4 into X is equal to 120. 12X plus 8X, 20X is equal to 120. X is equal to 6. That's it. Answer is 6. We need to find out the number of days Seema will work, right? Right. So X is 6. Next, guys. Amal and Bimal together can complete a task in 150. Bimal and Sunil. First step is again total work 300. Amal and Bimal 2 units per day. Bimal and Sunil 3 units per day. ठीक है. Amal start working on the task and works for 75 days. So 75 days Amal has worked. Then Bimal takes over and works for 135 days. Okay, 135 days for Bimal. Finally, Sunil takes over and completes the remaining task in 45 days. 45 Sunil. And the total work done is 300 units. Now let's try to break down this thing to use this information. So can I write this as 75A plus 75B plus 60B? So that I can make this, I can take 75 common now. I will be getting A plus B. Similarly, I can write this as 45B plus 45S and remaining 15B is equal to 300, right? Now, 75 into 2, 150 plus 45B, 45 I can take common. So B plus S, 45 into 3 is 135 plus 15B is equal to 300. So 15B is equal to 15. So B is equal to 1. Now we got to know the value of B as 1. We can say A is also 1. We can say S is equal to 2. That's it. Okay? Next, if Amal had started a task alone and worked on all days, Bimal had worked on every second day, and Sunil had worked on every third day, then the number of days required to complete a task would have been. Let's find out. So on the first day, Amal is working. That is, on the first day, I can say Amal is doing first 1 unit. On the second day, Bimal also started working. So Amal plus Bimal, 2 unit. On the third day, Sunil comes into picture. So Amal plus that is 3 unit. On the fourth day, because every second day Bimal works, so 2 unit. On the fifth day, only Amal will be working because 2 or 3 का multiple नहीं है, 5, right? And on the sixth day, तीनों मिलके काम करेंगे, 4 unit, right? Let me check this. I hope I have not done any mistake. Yeah, perfectly fine. Okay. So we got a pattern. Now if you try to think on the 7th day, 1 unit. On the 8th day, 2 unit because multiple of 2. On the 9th day, 3 unit, multiple of 3, right? Because on every 3 days, Sunil comes into picture, right? On the 10th day, multiple of 2. So Bimal will comes into picture along with Anil, right? Anil and Amal, sorry. So 2 unit and so on. So we can generalize and we can say for every 6 days, in every 6 days, they must be doing how much work? 5 to 7, 13 unit. And we have to complete 300. So nearest multiple of 13 to 300, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are, right, 23. So 6 into 23 is how many days? 138 days. And this is 299, I think. 13 into 23. 13 3s are 39, 13 2s are 299. So in 138 days, 299 unit of work has been done. So that means 1 unit is left. So again the turn comes of Amal. You can see after every 6 days, we again start from this. So on the 139th day, our work will be completed. So that's why the answer is 139th. It's a very good question which was asked in CAT 24. Next. Sam can complete a job in 20 days when working alone. Mohit is twice as fast as Sam and thrice as fast as Aina in the same job. So what I am taking, Mohit as 6 unit, multiple of 2 as well as 3. Sam as 3 unit, Aina as 2 unit, right? Sam can complete, so total work we can find out. Total work will be 20 into 3 guys, 60 units, right? They undertake a job with an arrangement where Sam and Mohit work together on the first day. So Sam and Mohit, so 9 unit of work on the first day. Sam and Aina on the second day. Sam and Aina on the second day. So 5 unit of work on second day. Mohit and Aina on the third day. 8 unit of work on the third day. And this 3-day pattern is repeated till the work gets completed. So you can see I can do it manually also. So how much is this? 9 plus 5, 14 plus 8, 22. So 22, 22, 44. 44. Okay, it's just a second. This is 9, 8, 13, 22, 22 plus 22, 44. Again, 44 plus 14. I'm getting only 58. So that means I need 2 units of work also. Okay. Then the total fraction of work done by Sam. Fine. Now Sam, where Sam is working. So we have to find out that Sam is working on the first day. Sam is working on the second day. Sam is working on this day, this day, this day, and this day. Right. So Sam is working for 6 days. And the efficiency of Sam is 3. So the work done by Sam will be 18 units with respect to total, that is 60, because Sam worked for 6 days. Here, 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 right? So let's cancel out this by 6. I can say 3 by 10. Option number B. Next question, guys. Team ABC consists of A 5 members, B 8, C 10 members, respectively, such that every member within team is equally productive. Working separately, team ABC can complete a certain job in 40 hours. So, okay, they are taking 40 hours. They are taking 50 hours and they are taking 4 hours. So, let's take total work. Let's say total work is 200 units. Total work is 200 units. So, if you observe, these 5 members complete this work in 40 hours, right? So, I can say these 5 members doing 5 unit of work per hour. These 8 members complete this work in 50 hours. So 4 unit of work per hour. These 10 members complete this work in 4 hours. So 50 units per hour. Now these are the combined efficiency. Now we can find out the individual efficiency also. Every member of team A. So member की efficiency है 1 unit. यहाँ पे 1/2. यहाँ पे 5. Okay, next. 2 members from team A, 3 members from team B, and 1 member from team C together start the work, and member from team C leaves after 23 hours. That means these 3 combinations of people worked for 23 hours. So 23 into 2 members from team A, so 2 into 1. Efficiency is 1 of each member belongs to team A. 3 into 1/2. And member from team C, 5 into 1 member, right? 5 into 1. Let's simplify this. 23 into 7 plus 10.5, right? 10.5 ना? नहीं 1.5 है वो. Sorry. इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं. 3/2 plus 7. How much? 14, 17/2. 17/2. So how much this will be? 17 3s are 51. 1, 5. 17 2s are 34 plus 5, 39. That is 195.5. Let me check the calculation also once again. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3/2, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17/2. 17 3s are 51, 5, 17 2s are 34. Yeah, 195.5. ठीक है, 195.5 work has been done. Unit of work has been done. The number of additional members from team B would be required to replace the member from team C to finish the job in the next 1 hour. Now we are left with only 1 hour. You know, these two members from team A will be working and they will be doing 2 units of work. Also, the efficiency of these person is 1/2 unit. Okay. So plus 2 also add कर दीजिए. So we are left with 197.5 we have completed. So we are left with 2.5 unit of work. ठीक है, 2.5 unit of work. Now 2.5 unit of work is done by members of team B. The efficiency of team B members is 1/2. So we required 5 members from team B. How many members are present from team B? 3 members. So we need 2 more members. So that's why answer is option number B. Next. The rate of water flow through the pipes A, B, C are in the ratio 4:9:36. So what I'm doing, I'm saying suppose A efficiency is 4 units, B efficiency is 9 units, C efficiency is 36 units. Okay. An empty tank can be filled up completely by pipe A in 15 hours. So total work is, guys, 4 into 15, 60 units. If all the 3 pipes are used simultaneously to fill up this empty tank, the time in minutes required to fill the entire tank is nearest. Now these 3 are working together. So time is 60 by 49. And we have to convert this in minutes because this is in hour. So this is roughly how much? This is 3600 divided by 49. So if instead of 49, agar 50 hota, to answer would have been 72. Right? This we know 3600 divided by 50 is 72. So answer will definitely be more than 72, roughly 73. So approximately 73. Option number A. Next. Ankita is twice as efficient as Bipin. Bipin is twice as efficient as Chandan. Chaliye. Chandan 1 unit. Bipin 2 unit. Ankita 4 unit. Twice enough. If all 3 of them start together on a job and Bipin leaves the job after 20 days. So that means these 3 people work for 20 days. So 20 into 7 unit plus these 3 combined efficiency 7. If the job got completed in 60 days, that means for the remaining 40 days, Bipin has gone. So C and A will be working. So let me write this clearly so that everyone get this part clear. And for the 40 days, only B and C, A and C worked. Or you can say this, you can say in this way also. Some people try to solve in this way also, that for 60 days, A and C worked and for 20 days, B worked. So totally your choice. Both are same thing. You will be getting the same answer from both method. So 20 into 7 plus 40 into 5. 340 units. This is our work. Right? Now, number of days needed by Chandan to complete the job alone. So, obviously, you can see time will be 340 by 1, 340 days. Days, yeah. Next question, guys. And this is the question based on some money also. Arun, Varun, Tarun, if working alone, can complete a task in 24, 21, 15 days. So, first of all, I will take the LCM of these 3. How much will be this? 24, 15, 120, 120 into 7, 840. So, efficiency will be what? 24, 35, 40 and 15, 6, 56. ठीक है. So we got to know the efficiency. मतलब this Arun will be doing 35 units in one day. Varun will be doing 40 units and Tarun will be doing 56 units. Now they are receiving some amount of money per day. So can we find out the cost per unit? So 1 unit cost is here roughly approximately 60. Approx 60. Here also 60, but this is more than 60, so I should write it as, because 35 into 6 is 2100, so roughly 61 point something. This is 60. What about this? 56. This is less than 60, right? I do not need to solve this. Less than 60. Okay, as of now. Okay. Okay. On any given day, any of the workers may or may not be employed to work. Okay. If the task needs to be completed in 10 days or less, then the minimum possible amount required. So we have to minimize the amount and we need to make sure that work is completed in 10 or less than 10 days. Okay. So obviously I will choose that person whose 1 unit is more effective to me, because here if you see, if I'm asking him to work, his 1 unit cost is greater than 60, right? About Varun, cost is 1 unit का 60 है और इसका less than 60 है. So obviously I will ask him to work for me for the 10 days because maximum 10 days is allowed. So when Tarun does, so 56 into 10, 560 unit is completed. Now I'm left with some work that will be done by now Varun, because I cannot use this, because if I use this, my amount will get increase. So Varun भाई साहब को use करते हैं. 840 minus 560, that is 280. And efficiency of Varun is 40. So Varun will be working for 7 days. Now we have to find out the cost. So this person worked for 10 days. This person worked for only 7 days. So 21600, 16800. So answer is 38,400. Option number A. So that's all in this series of PYQ. इसमें हमने टाइम एंड वर्क के सारे PYQs को कंप्लीट किया. इसी तरह से आई विल बी कमिंग अप विद सो मेनी वीडियोज ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक लाइक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, प्रोग्रेशन वगैरह वगैरह. आप भी अपने सजेशंस कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हो. साथ के साथ प्लीज़ पुट योर फीडबैक, वेदर यू लाइक दिस वीडियो और नॉट. कुछ नया सीखने को मिला, क्या आपने ऑब्जर्व किया, किस तरह का पैटर्न आपने ऑब्जर्व किया. आई वॉन्ट योर फीडबैक ऑल्सो सो दैट इट मोटिवेट्स मी टू वर्क हार्डर फॉर यू गाइज. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में. बाय बाय गाइज.